Hello everyone, my name's Emily and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a butterfly. This is the final product. Step 1, we're going to make the wings. For this you'll need to go in your garden or on your daily exercise and find some big leaves that look like wings. Next, you will need to place them on the grass or on a table or whatever you have at home, and you place them like this, 3 leaves one side to make them look like wings, and then 3 leaves. It could be symmetrical, so the exact same leaves or any leaves you could find the other side, and then you just move them about until you're happy that they are the butterfly wings. Step 2, you're going to make the butterfly's body. So for this you will need some different coloured leaves. So I've chosen to pick a slightly lighter green, but you could pick a darker green or any leaves that you find in your back garden or in your daily exercise, and you're going to align them to make the body. To start off with, I'm going to put this one at the bottom of the butterfly because it's pointed and I think it looks most like the bottom of the butterfly's body. Then next I'm going to put this one layered on top, and this one at the top of the butterfly to make the head of the butterfly. Step 3, I'm going to make the antenna for the animal. I found these stems of a plant to make the antenna, and then also these little red flower petals that I'm going to use as well. So you put them at the top of the head like so, and you just put them slightly underneath so they're covered, and then you place these 2 red petals on the top to make the antenna. I'm going to make some little eyes for the butterfly, so for this I'm going to use some daisies that look like eyes. You put them facing up. You might need just to alter it around like so. Step 5, I'm going to use some little flowers that I've found on the ground to decorate the butterfly's wings. You've finished your butterfly. Take a picture of any butterflies that you make at home, and I'll see you soon. Bye!